this hair looks so cute. It came in 24 inches. Let me stand up and you will see what I'm talking about. Here is the inches. See, it looks so very long and it looks so very gorgeous. Hey beauty, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of tuning in, you are highly welcome. In today's video is about this goddess locks right here from Beyond Beauty hair from Amazon. Yes, here is the pack right here. It came with 6 pack anyway. That will be really enough for one head. Yes guys, and here is the hair. Let me just open the hair. Yeah, as you can see, it is 24 inches long. It's wow. Thank you very much Beyond Beauty hair for this nice collaboration. I really appreciate this collaboration. I really love this hair. It looks so very soft. It has no smell at all. It's so very good, so very cute. I love this hair. Anyway, I will be leaving the link of this hair in my description box below in case if you guys wish to have some. Just check my description box below, then I will be leaving the link right there. This is the hair. It looks so very good. It looks so very nice, and I'm going to be styling the hair right now. As you can see, I have already weaved my hair. I have a very short hair guys. Yeah, I have a very short hair, and this method, I'm going to be using this method to install my crochet hair. Yes, as for me, it looks so very natural. Let me show you the back. This is how the back is looking like. This is how I weave the hair all around. This is how I weave the hair. First I weave everything up, then later I weave everything like this. It is so very simple. If you are a beginner, if you use this method, you are going to like it. Yes, it's not going to give you any stress at all, and it is very important when I'm installing crochet. I love to use exactly amount, like the way I weave my hair. Maybe if I'm going to be taking it to where I join my cornrow, I will have to use the same pieces. Like I'm going to be using 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 at the front. I will use 5 at the front, and at the back I will have to use 3 at the back. Yes, for me to have a equal balance weight of the hair. Anyway, this hair is so very light. It is what I really love about this very hair. Just let me just install it and you will see how this hair really fits. Accessory that came with it came with a hook as well, a needle hook as well. It also came with some pins as well. Came with their information here as well. As you can see, this is all of what they have. This is all what they have in their website. You can just go and penetrate them if you wish to visit their website on Amazon. Yes, which they have a spring twist hair. They also have a AZ braid, pre-straight braid hair, and they also have a goddess Faux Locs, which is the one that I'm going to be installing now. They also have a pre-twist passion twist hair that is so very good, and they also have a dreadlock. It's so very nice. Also they have a adjustable trumper stand. They also have a mannequin head as well. Yes, actually I'm going to be leaving their link on my description, then you can just go and check it out. Yes, if you know that you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on that post notification bell for you not to miss any of my video whenever I upload. As for me, I love starting my hair from the front before I move to the back. First, I'm just going to attach my braid right here with my crochet hook. I'm just going to attach my braid right here. Then I'm just going to pick the hair. I just take my hand through the loop like this, then I'm just going to start from any one of the braid on the front, then I close my hook, then I take it through my hair, then I open the hook, then I put the loop here, I close, I drag it, then I drag it like this, then I put the end of the goddess lock, I close again, then I drag it through, then I use my hand to face it up. Yeah, that's it. Yes, and this method is the method that I'm going to use all through. Yes, and as I said before, I'm going to use 5 strands at each corn roll, and at the back I'm going to be using 3 strands. Let me show you a few more, then I will show you the end of the hair. Now I'm going to move over to the next corn roll. Yeah, as you can see, I just finished 2 corn roll now, which I have 10 strands here. I'm going to use the same method to finish all the whole hair. Okay guys, yeah, this is the 5 pack and this is the last one. And what I'm going to show you here, how to remove these very goddess locks from the rope. This part is so very important, because if you don't want to mess everything up, like after removing it from the rope right here, maybe it can be difficult to find the actual hole. Yes, what I'm going to show you here is how to remove it. See, I just cut the rope. What you are going to do, you don't have to remove everything from the rope. Yes, this rope is going to help you to keep everything accurate. Yes, and it will be easier for you to remove and install it on your head easily. If you remove everything, it's just like a double work, which you will be finding the hole that you are going to be putting your crochet hook. Yes, what you are going to be doing, just grab it like this. Make sure that the other side of the rope is tied up so that they will not fall off from the other side. Then just grab the other side. You just have to stretch it out like this. Just stretch it out and put your hand through and remove it. Then you will have your goddess locks on your hands and secure the nest. Just take it over. Then I'm just going to finish the whole thing in the front of the camera. I just see that this part is so very useful and so very important. That's why I just want to show you how to remove the hair, in case if you are going to be having some of the goddess lock or any crochet hair at all. Before removing it from the pack, it's so very important. You don't have to remove everything from the thread before you start installing it. You have to remove it one by one. It will make it faster and make it easier. I'm just going to finish up this very one. I have only this cornrow left here. Well, I just finished all the old hair right now. And this is the front. Yes, you can see, guys, this is the final look of this hair. It looks so gorgeous, man. I love this hair. It looks so very gorgeous, so very big on the head. As you can see, it looks so very cute. These are some of the accessories that came with it. It came with 3D eyelashes as well from Beyond Beauty store as well. I can't wait to wear these lashes. I love wearing lashes, guys. I love lashes. Even more longer than this, I can even wear it. I love lashes. I love the hair. I love the lashes. Also, it came with this right here, which I'm going to be wearing the silver and gold, but it came in blue, pink, silver and gold. I'm going to be putting on the silver. Yeah, it looks so cute anyway. I'm going to be putting on the silver right here, and then I'm going to be putting on the gold right here. It looks so cute. As you can see, I don't just need too much. I just put it on like this. You give it that flash look. You give it that flash look. Okay, guys, that is it about this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on that post notification bell for you not to miss any of the video whenever I upload. And I will love to see you in my next. And bye.